Hi guys, welcome back to Best Product. Today, we're checking out one of the best protein shaker bottles that makes your fitness routine easier and cleaner. If you want smooth shakes without the mess, this might be the one for you. Let's get started. This is the ProMix Pursuit Protein Shaker Bottle. It is designed for people who take their workouts seriously and want something reliable every day. You will notice the updated logo right away. It gives the bottle a fresh and modern look, while still keeping the trusted quality that ProMix is known for. Now let's talk about the most important part, the mixing system. The ProMix Pursuit Protein Shaker Bottle uses a snap-fit agitator that blends your supplements quickly and smoothly. Whether you're mixing protein powder, vegan blends, green supplements, or creatine, it breaks everything down in seconds. The best part is that it works quietly. Unlike metal whisk balls that rattle around, this system is almost silent. There is no annoying noise and no metallic taste. You just get a smooth and lump-free shake every time. Another big highlight is the leak-proof design. The ProMix Pursuit Protein Shaker Bottle has a secure threaded lid and a snap-tight cap. Once it is closed, it stays closed. You can toss it into your gym bag or backpack without worrying about spills. That means less stress and no messy surprises during your day. The shape of the bottle is also very practical. It has a slim profile that fits into most car cup holders. So if you are heading to the gym, work, or anywhere else, you can easily carry your shake with you. It feels comfortable in your hand and is easy to grip. The material is another strong point. The ProMix Pursuit Protein Shaker Bottle is made from premium EcoZen material. It is crystal clear, so you can always see how much liquid you have left. It is also shatter-resistant, which makes it tough enough for daily use. On top of that, it resists odors and stains. That means your bottle stays fresh and does not hold on to old smells. It is also free from BPA, BPS, and phthalates, so you can feel confident about what you are drinking from. For accuracy, the bottle includes dual-scale measurement markings. This makes it easy to measure your water and powder correctly. You can track your hydration and get the right mix without guessing. The 28-ounce capacity gives you plenty of space for large protein shakes or just staying hydrated throughout the day. Overall, the ProMix Pursuit Protein Shaker Bottle combines smart design, strong materials, and smooth mixing performance. It makes preparing your supplements simple and hassle-free, while looking clean and stylish at the same time. Here is the bottom line. If you want a shaker that mixes smoothly and travels well, this is a solid choice. Check the price link in the description and see the latest deal. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more great finds. See you in the next video.